Have you ever set a goal that feels so big you don't even know where to start? You are not alone. The secret to make progress isn't about doing it all at once. It is about breaking it down, taking action, and celebrating along the way. Today, I will show you how to set smart goals, make steady progress, and stay motivated. Why smart goals work. One of the biggest reasons people don't achieve their goals is because they are too vague. That's where smart goals comes in. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. When your goals are clear, you know exactly what you're working towards and how to measure your success. How to set smart goals. Specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by working out 4 times a week. Measurable, track your progress. Use a journal or an app to see how far you've come. Achievable, make sure your goal challenges you but isn't unrealistic. Relevant, ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? Align it with your long-term vision. Time-bound, set a deadline to keep yourself accountable. Breaking goals into small steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down make them manageable. Start by identifying the first step you can take today. Create weekly and monthly milestones to track progress. Focus on small, consistent actions. They add up over time. Celebrate small wins and milestones. It is important to acknowledge every step forward. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that progress is being made. For example, finishing your first workout of the week. Celebrate with a relaxing break. Hit a milestone in your saving goals. Treat yourself to something small. These rewards reinforce positive habits and keep you excited about the journey. Let me share an example. I wanted to launch this series, but the idea of scripting, filming, and editing for multiple episodes felt overwhelming. I set a smart goal. I finish one script each week. Then I break it down further, brainstorm topics, draft key points, and finalize one section at a time. Every time I complete script, I celebrate by checking it off my list. And there we are, making progress together. Taking action is the key to achieve your goals. Set smart goals, break them into small steps, and celebrate every milestone. So, what's one goal you are working on right now? Share it, and I would love to hear about your journey. And don't forget to subscribe for the next episode, where we will dive deeper into making consistent progress and staying motivated.